Welcome to my studio, Bach To Basics. I'm Trevor, a full-time professional private piano and theory teacher teaching live online piano lessons through Skype and Zoom. And every week, my students happen to see this shot right here, me sitting here talking to them with these things in the background. And quite often they'll ask me what all that stuff is. Well, it's a little late at night, and I thought, why not? It's a little quiet in the studio, so why not just take a tour around and show them what it is that they're seeing? So I'm going to start off with a quick studio tour here. So this right here is my machine production system, which is a machine jam connected to a complete keyboard, connected to a machine plus. And this is an entire music production system in itself. On top of that, we have right there is a Mackie Big Knob, which controls the speakers both on this wall and on the wall on the other side. So I can switch between them. On this main desk, once again, we have some KRK monitors, which I use for referencing, and we also have two video monitors, which I use to connect to Zoom and music production software. Over here on the top, we have a Zoom L20 live track mixer, which everything in the studio runs into that. Down here, we have, way down there is the Akai Force, where everything is connected to as well. Moving right along, we have a Bear Dynamic headset, which I do most of my mixing through. We have another set of, this time a set of Yamaha reference monitors, plus a great big video monitor in the center. And this is a Mode X. This thing right here is a Mode X7, a Yamaha synth. Over on the side, we have a UA 476 volt interface, which connects down to the bottom there, down to those compressors and mic preamps. I have a bunch of patch bays right there, 3 patch bays actually connected to another amp and a preamp and a compressor down there as well. In the second tier is an Akai Force keyboard, I should say. Well, it's not really. It's an advanced 49 keyboard made by Akai that happens to be connected to this right there. Then moving right along, there's a bunch of stuff down there. I'm still working on this side of the studio, really. But there is a Korg Monolog, Korg Minilog. That's a 4-voice analog synthesizer. Moving right along to the Roland FA, which is right there. That's another synth made by Roland, followed by the SP404, which is a audio sampler. I use it as an outdoor effects rack. This right here, of course, is a TD12 Roland drum set. And moving along to the rack over here, we have this right here, which is Arturia Mini Brute 2. It's a semi-modular analog synth. Down here we have basically it's the Drum Brute. It's the analog drum kit that they're kind of like work as a pair. Down there is this one right here is a Behringer DeepMind 12, and further down we have a nifty case right there, which is part of a Euro rack. Then moving along to this side, of course, well, this is where the piano is, and this is where most of the action for lessons happens, is right here at the piano. So there's just a quick tour of my studio. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you at our next lesson. Well, thank you for taking this tour with me. And if you do decide that you are interested in piano or theory lessons, stop by my website and check out the free trial. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.